Hi, my name is Tran. I'm a second year at UCR.
Hello, I'm V, and I'm also a second year at UCI.
And for our hack for Rosehack, we decided to make a Discord bot that works to increase positivity and happiness for people. So our bot can respond to user text. So V, can you explain?
Okay, so we'll start with hello, beebot. So beebot would detect our messages and respond back to you. So we also have if you insult yourself, beebot would also respond, oh, I'm bad. And then beebot would respond, you're not bad. And then it also detects when you diss another person, like you suck. And then would respond, that's not very nice. You can also interact with beebot through commands. So we have buzz help that shows you like a list of commands that you can use.
Yeah,
Brandon?
yeah. And so we can use these commands using the buzz prefix. So like buzz quote a day will give us the quote a day. Buzz motivation will give us motivational quotes. And you can use the buzz prefix for the other ones too. And for these are quotes. So quote a day is a quote. Motivation, positive, and error are quotes. While the buzz cat and buzz doggo are more photos, cute photos that will help you or make you happy and yeah, release some stress and sadness. Um, yeah. Uh, Thank you for your time. And this is Bebot from Brandon Tran and Vivo.
Vivo.
Yeah.